Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be playing Raise. It's a lesson on financial education.
Raise is a free interactive game which helps young people aged 14 to 19 to gain knowledge about savings and investments and making informed financial decisions. It can be used on its own or with free accompanying educational lesson plans and guides. It's more than just learning, it's taking action for a secure financial future.
In this session I've learned that long-term investment is incredibly useful for later in life.
Financial education is an important life skill for all young people, and Raise provides an easy and flexible way to achieve this. Students really enjoy the gamified method of learning.
While playing Raise, I enjoyed the investing of all of it the most.
Playing Raise has taught me that taking risks can be rewarded and it isn't a thing that you should be scared of.
The game can be played in 15 minutes or combined with the lesson plans to fill a full lesson. The game can be set as homework and played at home. Young Enterprise provides a teacher guide and resources to support teachers use the Raise app in their classroom.
One thing I've learnt from this session today is you should always have a clear outline of what you're going to do if you're going to make a business.
Raise will support students' financial education as it will help them set financial goals for the future. It is very flexible, so I could use it for full lessons or starter activities or for homework.
Playing Raise has taught me it's important to invest and save for the future.